Hey everybody, if you want to enable the flash notification for your calls on your Android, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. So it is pretty easy, you just need to head over to your device's settings. And then once you open up your settings, you can scroll down and look out for the section for accessibility and go ahead and tap on it. Now once you've tapped on it, what you need to do is look out for the option called advanced settings. Tap on it. And under advanced settings, you should be finding different options, including the option for flash notification. So go ahead and tap on flash notifications. And there you will easily be finding camera flash notification and screen flash notifications. Now, if you want to apply it for calls, what you need to do is you can turn this option on first. And once you do so, you can tap on it and basically turn on the option specially for the phone applications. You can just go over and find phone here. And once you find phone, make sure the toggle option is on here. And you can even look out for preview if you want to preview it. And once it is applied, it will give you a visual alert for incoming calls, especially useful on silent or noisy environments. And that's it. So everybody, if you also want to enable flash notification for calls on Android, you may follow up these steps. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.